Mayon volcano is acting up again. A hazardous eruption is possible within weeks. Alert level 3 is up over areas near it and evacuations are on. Let's get the latest from PHIVOX Director Renato Solidum. Good morning, sir, and thank you for taking our call.
Good morning.
Sir, anong sitwasyon ngayon dyan on the ground?
Well, nananatili po yung pagbagsak ng mga bato. That would mean that we're recording rockfall events using our own seismic network, and we have recorded 141 rockfall events in the past 24 hours, plus 2 volcanic earthquakes. Essentially, what is happening now is there is an ongoing eruption at the volcano, but this is not explosive. So there is magma going up, and now it's at the surface. So there's a magmatic eruption, but not explosive, and we can see lava actually flowing at the upper slopes of the volcano on the southern side.
Just to be clear, sir, may ongoing eruptions ngayon that's happening there, na nangyayari?
Yes, but that is not the explosive eruption.
Okay.
That is the non-explosive magmatic eruption where lava would just come out slowly from the crater of the volcano.
Okay. Ano pong ibig sabihin nito? Non-explosive eruption.
Well, there is not much gas content yet in the magma coming out of the volcano, but that kind of activity in many past eruptions of Mayon is just part of the phase of eruptions in Mayon, where sometimes lava coming out of the volcano would precede the more dangerous explosive eruptions. For example, in the year 2000 and 2001.
Are we expecting an explosive eruption, sir? Tsaka ano pong ibig sabihin nung explosive naman?
Kapag explosive, may pagsabog. Essentially, merong pagsambulat ng lava. When the molten rock comes out of the crater, there are two things that can happen. One is that it would ooze out slowly out of the crater, and that is what is happening now. But if there is enough gas content that would cause explosion, the lava, instead of being coming out slowly in a solid manner, would be disintegrated and will turn into ash and boulders. And that would be more dangerous because there is force. And if that happens, then there can be what we call the pyroclastic flow, or the danger of rolling, moving with speeds of more than 60 kilometers per hour, a mass of rocks, ashes, and hot gases down the slopes of the volcano. That is the explosive activity that we are warning the people. At alert level 3, there is tendency towards that. So even though we are now seeing an eruption but non-explosive, the possibility of having that hazardous explosive eruption is there. We need to prepare for it.
Okay, sir. Ano naman yung timeline na we are looking at right now for an eruption? Is it a matter of days or weeks, ho?
Depende yan sa gas content ng magma na papaakyat sa ilalim. Right now, we're seeing a lava, or what we call magma that came out of the surface with not much gas. But if ever there will be some signs of increased gas output, like we can see fire fountaining or lava fountaining, then that would herald the possible explosive phase. We cannot directly say right now whether it will be weeks, it can even be days. It depends on, again, the incoming magma from below.
Okay, sir. Ngayon, advice niyo po sa mga residents near Mayon volcano.
Well, makinig po sa mga kinaukulan. Please observe the current danger zone. It's 6 kilometers all around the summit, plus 1 kilometer as the northern flanks. We can watch the eruption from a distance in a safe place, but sometimes there can be ashfall events if there are explosions. We need to be ready with dust masks, handkerchiefs, and clean clothes that we can wet so that we can prevent inhalation of fine ash.
Okay, maraming salamat ho, PHIVOX Director Renato Solidum. Let's learn more about the different volcano alert levels under PHIVOLCS guidelines. Alert level 0 means quiet and there is no eruption in the foreseeable future. No entry advised into the 6-kilometer permanent danger zone. Still no magma eruption imminent under alert level 1, but so-called phreatic or steam-driven eruptions are possible. Alert level 2 means increasing unrest, and there's a higher chance that this is due to magmatic activity. State volcanologists may extend the danger zone to 7 kilometers where the crater rim is low. Under alert level 3, eruption is possible within weeks as magma is close to the crater. Meantime, alert level 4 means a hazardous eruption is imminent and that may happen within days. In this case, PHIVOLCS will recommend the extension of the danger zone to 8 kilometers where the crater rim is low. And alert level 5 means a hazardous eruption is ongoing. Expect pyroclastic flows, which include lava and rocks, and expect tall eruption columns. Aircraft near the volcano are danger due to in the ash clouds.